Hey guys, my name's Louie.
And we're best friends, right, Louie?
That's right, Stewie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jasperoo's Great Adventures. Today we are going to do a nature play. And you get to make your own little puppet. Let's do it. Okay, so there is 5 simple steps. Number 1, we get to go out and forage in Mother Nature, which means get all the things from Mother Nature that you need for your own little puppet. This may be good. Now what else? Oh, what about that?
What do you think that'd be good for?
I guess their hair like this.
Okay, great.
Now let's pick a branch off. Ooh, these look good. Look at this. So we've got purple eyebrows or some of these yellow eyebrows. I think I know where I saw a perfect place for eyes yesterday. I think it's over that way.
All right, let's do it.
Come on, pull him in. This is it. So look at this. There can be correct ones for if their eyes are opened, or they can be closed ones somewhere like that, if you want their eyes to be closed. So guys, we are picking out some of our things that we need for our puppets, and mine are kind of got eyelashes. As you can see, they're all cracked, and Dad's are kind of going a bit closed. And we're gonna head back to the van now, so let's go and build our fun creation. Oh, and also we have 4 of each, just in case we lose some, just for a backup plan. We've got some more things that we need. Now we just have to go home and get all the rest of the stuff. Let's go. That's a lot of stuff, right?
Sure is.
Step 2. Lay out all your things so that you can start designing your little guy. Step 3. It's time to glue him together. Get some help from an adult or maybe Mum and Dad. Step 4. We have to wait for him to dry. Step 5. It's the best bit. Now it's time to put on a puppet show. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, hey guys. I think someone wants to join us after our little nature play thing. You ready? Hi guys, I'm Louie.
Yeah, and my name is Stewie. Hey, Louie.
Hi Stewie, and we're best friends, right?
Yeah, I guess we are.
I hope you have fun on your nature play, right, Stewie?
That's right. So much fun.
Right, Louie? Yeah. Hey, guys, I'll see you soon for another adventure. Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Thanks for watching Jasperoo's Great Adventures. If you like my video,